Gilman Park and Wildcat Bluff Park around 5:25 p.m. Troy Mills, Lafayette, in Pleasant Creek State Recreation Area around 5:35 p.m. Albany and Paris around 5:40 p.m. Other locations in the path of this tornadic thunderstorm include Central City, Pigon, Toadville, Pinnacle Ridge Park, Lynn County Fairgrounds, and Buffalo Creek Park. This includes Interstate 380 between mile markers 28 and 55. To repeat, a tornado is on the ground. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways.